Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Traditional kindergarten was created by Friedrich Frobel in 19th century Germany as a children's garden with structured teacher-guided activities. Montessori education was developed by Dr. Maria Montessori in Italy in the early 1900s. Based on her observation that children learn best through self-directed hands on exploration at their own pace. Both
Good
approaches
morning,
aim to help
everyone.
children learn
What
and
is the
grow,
weather
but they
like
take
today?
very different paths. In this video, we will break down 10 key differences between Montessori and traditional kindergarten programs. Number 1. Learning process. In traditional kindergarten, the learning process is teacher led and group based. The teacher plans lessons, give instructions, and guide all students through the same activities at the same time. Children follow a fixed schedule and complete tasks within specific time frames. On the other hand, Montessori kindergarten, the learning process is child led and individualized. Children choose their own activities based on their interests and readiness. Teachers, often called guides, observe and gently support each child's natural curiosity without directing their learning. Number 2. Curriculum structure. In traditional kindergarten, the curriculum is standardized and fixed. All students follow the same planned program with specific learning objectives in reading, writing, math, and other subjects. The curriculum is set by school boards or districts and must be completed within the academic year, regardless of individual students' readiness. On the other hand, Montessori kindergarten, the curriculum is flexible and adaptive. While there is a comprehensive scope of subjects, children progress through material at their own pace. The curriculum unfolds naturally based on each child's development, interests, and readiness. Teachers introduce new concepts only when a child has mastered previous ones. Number 3. Classroom environment. In traditional kindergarten, classrooms are structured with desks, learning boards, and group areas that support organized teacher guided learning. The room is arranged to accommodate large group instruction with materials stored away until the teacher brings them out. On the other hand, Montessori kindergarten classrooms are intentionally calm, beautiful, and organized spaces designed to promote focus and independence. You will find child sized furniture, hands on materials displayed on open shelves, and different activity stations. Children move freely through the rooms selecting materials that interest them. Number 4. Age grouping. In traditional kindergarten, children are grouped strictly by age. Typically, all 5 and 6 year olds are in the same class, following the same curriculum based on what the average child at the age should learn. Whereas in Montessori kindergarten, children are grouped in mixed age classrooms, typically ages 3 to 6 together. This allows younger children to learn from older peers, while older children develop leadership skills by helping younger ones. Children can progress at their own pace without feeling behind or ahead. Number 5. Teaching style. In traditional kindergarten, teachers actively instruct using stories, worksheets, group activities, and clear directions. They lead students through exercises with specific expectations and measures of success. The teacher is the primary source of knowledge in the classroom. On other hand, Montessori kindergarten teachers observe, support, and step in only when needed. They allow children to problem solve independently and discover answers on their own. The teacher acts as a guide who facilitates learning rather than directing it. Number 6. Daily schedule. In traditional kindergarten, the school day is divided into specific time blocks for different subjects. Students move from one activity to another with frequent transitions throughout the day. Each subject has a designated time slot, regardless of children's engagement levels. On other hand, Montessori kindergarten children enjoy extended, uninterrupted work periods, often lasting 2 or 3 hours. This allows for deep concentration and minimizes distractions. Children can spend as much time as they want on an activity without being rushed to move on. Number 7. Assessment method. In traditional kindergarten, Students are assessed through performance assessments and standardized tests. Children are measured against expected achievements typical for their age. Progress is reported through grades or competency based system showing whether they are on track. In Montessori kindergarten, the emphasis is on progression rather than performance. Teacher observes students carefully to determine when they are ready to learn new skills. Progress is reported through narrative descriptions rather than letter grades or test scores. Number 8. Social development. In traditional kindergarten, children learn social skills through group activities, collaborative projects, and structured playtime. Teachers guide students in learning to share, take turns, and work together with the same age peers. In Montessori kindergarten, a story emphasis is placed on grace, courtesy, and respect. Children learn conflict resolution, empathy, and responsibility through real world scenarios. The mixed age classroom naturally creates mentoring and leadership opportunities. Number 9. Development focus. In traditional kindergarten, the primary focus is on building early academics, communication skills, teamwork, and classroom discipline. The goal is to prepare children for the structure and expectation of formal schooling. Whereas in Montessori kindergarten, the approach enhances emotional, social, cognitive, and practical life skills equally. Children drop coordination, responsibility, and order through everyday activities. Independence and critical thinking are prioritized alongside academics. Number 10. Motivation for learning. In traditional kindergarten, children are often motivated by external rewards, grades, and teacher approval. Meeting benchmarks and completing assignments on time are key drivers of motivation in the structured environment. Whereas in Montessori kindergarten, children are motivated by a genuine love of learning and personal satisfaction. By removing grades and competition, children are inspired to improve for their own growth. They develop intrinsic motivation and natural curiosity that lasts a lifetime. So, what is the best for your child? The right choice depends on your child's personality and learning style. Montessori suits independent explorers who thrive with hands on learning and flexible pacing. Traditional kindergarten works well for children who prefer clear structure, teacher guidance, and group activities. Visit schools, observe classrooms, and talk with teachers. Both approaches have their strengths, and with the right support, your child can succeed in either environment.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.